Indian Center for Animal Rights and Education, INCARE in short, started some time back with a very small idea that when we looked around various shelters across India, we found there's much more could be done for the voiceless. So the first thing what we started with was picking up abandoned pedigree dogs due to various reasons like infections, bad omen and stuff like that. People start dumping dogs, so relocation and people moving from city to city, not able to take the dog along. These are the few reasons, and aggression is one more reason, which anybody could dump a dog on the street. So we started picking up these dogs, started working on their body for all kind of infection. We also worked on things like their behavior and all that. We have tamed many dogs, and we find houses and give these dogs on adoption. Now everything is free of cost, so we had to have a source of money to sustain this. Initial days of INCARE, the trustees of the trust, okay, were they're putting from their pocket the money whatever required for the trust, whatever for the expenses, and they were using that money to do their services. So once we grew and we came to a point that we had more than 10 dogs, we had to look for a professional place, a professional shelter. So that's how the whole thing got constructed, and we bought an ambulance, all this. So we've been not bad. We've been pretty successful in generating funds because we do very good work. So our testimony for this is the number of dogs which we are given till date. We've given over 100 dogs in the last 3 years' time, and they all given it in pink of health. So that's one thing. Another activity what we do is we go around the street and we pick up street dogs which have infection, skin infection. We treat them on the site. Okay, we have certain patented medicines which we use for the skin infection with 4 doses across a period of 1 month. Any kind of infection will get cured. So that's one service which we do. Another service what we do is we also treat dogs with maggot wounds. We specialize in that, and we're treating them on the street and not taking them into a clinic or anything. Because for a street dog, it increases the trauma when you take them to a shelter or a clinic and try to bring them back because they're not used to it. So we started doing that on-site treatments for dogs as well as cattle. So these are certain activities which we do, and we have to do another major activity which is not done regularly due to lack of funds, which is rescuing cattle which goes to slaughter in an illegal manner to Kerala. So till date we have saved close to 2,700 cattle which are kept in various goshalas, and most of them are doing fine. So these are the activities which we do. Now overall, so what we need, prima facie, yes, we need money. We need money for running these activities, running the shelter, and the food for the dogs. Now we get bits and pieces. Some of the dogs were given on virtual adoption. That means somebody from Singapore can adopt a dog for 3,000 rupees, where we will upkeep the dog, and all they have to do is pay 3,000 rupees a month, which is 100 rupees a day. So this is virtual adoption, and some people sponsor food, and some people can sponsor for medicines. Our medicinal expenses is close to 10,000 rupees a month, which is inside in the shelter. Now if you talk about the clinic where we admit these dogs, there it could cost us something between 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs depending on the number of patients we are admitting. So since we are very clear about our quality, means we are a quality over quantity NGO. That means if we don't have money, we will stop our treatments, we will stop our activities and put a hold, because we don't do anything half-baked. We go to the best of the doctors, which is which is known as the ARC clinic, veterinary clinic, and run by Dr. Arvind, and he's one of the best and the most expensive. So we use his services. We spend close to lakh and a half every month. We can double our services with more number of dogs, but it all directly depends on the amount of money we get. So our activity also is directly proportional to the money we receive, the volunteer availability, etc., etc. So this is how we've been working. So this is how we're able to deliver quality. So what we need, people can come forward to donate us in terms of money or in kind, in terms of food, medicines, etc., shampoos for giving bath, towels, and various accessories which are required to the shelter, the cleaning equipments, mops, wipers, brooms, all these can be sponsored. And through this we also request the Giveaway India, the first product crowdfunding portal, to help us, and you can also donate to us through this portal. This is our humble request. So these are things what we need, and thank you very much.